We've been lucky enough to try out the Gemini RGB soft light from Litepanels for the last couple of weeks on some of our shoots. In terms of features and performance, the Gemini sits alongside the Arri SkyPanel and Kino Celeb ranges. Now, for it to rival those lights, it needs to impress, and it does just that. The Gemini puts out accurate full spectrum bi-colour daylight and tungsten lighting, ranging from 2700 kelvins to 6000 kelvins, with the ability to offset green for fine tuning. It's very bright at over 8500 lux in tungsten and over 10,500 lux in daylight. In the HSI colour mode, you get full colour control over hue, saturation and intensity. And there's also gel mode, which replicates various popular gels. Connecting multiple lights is made easy with integrated DMX via 5-pin XLR or RJ45 for remote dimming and colour control. Or with an additional adapter, it can be done wirelessly. You can also use Bluetooth connectivity through your phone with a dongle that plugs into the top. The design is slim and simple, with rails on the front for easy attachment of accessories such as a softbox or honeycomb grid. We found the Gemini to be quite light and easy to manoeuvre for a light this size. For a setup in a small space, the high level of control you get over the intensity is excellent. There's no flicker at all at any intensity, shutter angle or frame rate, and the colour temperature remains accurate. The power adapter is built in, so there's just the one cable that locks in securely. Along the back, you've got mains out, so you can power multiple lights from one power source, a 3-pin XLR input for a battery input, and DMX inputs and output. On the right hand side, there's 3 dials for intensity, colour temperature, as well as hue and saturation. The menu is accessed by clicking the left dial. The menu itself is simple and easy to navigate, with switching between modes a breeze. Above the dials, there's a row of preset buttons with an A/B toggle. B gives you commonly used colour temperatures, and you can add up to 6 of your own with the A presets. On the top, there's a USB port where you can plug in a USB stick and transfer your presets to other lights, and an input for the Bluetooth dongle. We used the light in a green screen setup and an interview. We were limited for space for the green screen shoot, so the light was fairly close to our subject, who in turn was close to the green screen. The softness of the light meant that there was hardly any shadows from our subject on the green, and the control we had over the intensity meant we had no difficulty setting up in such a tight environment, and our subject was very evenly lit. For the interview, we had the Gemini as the key light in a 3-point light setup. Again, the ease of setup and adjustment meant we could quickly get our subject lit how we wanted, and the result was a very nice, soft and even light. In summary then, the Gemini soft light is an excellent bit of kit that I'd be more than happy to recommend. The performance is impressive, with highly accurate colour temperatures and superb levels of control. It's simple and straightforward to set up, and the menu system can be picked up in minutes. The Gemini goes toe-to-toe with its rivals, and when you consider its current price point, it makes a very compelling case for itself. Thanks for watching. For more info on the Gemini RGB soft light from Litepanels, as well as filmmaking tips, news and reviews, head over to wex.co.uk.